Ever wonder how a simple act of frustration could unravel and rebuild an entire cinematic universe? It sounds crazy, right? But in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the smallest moments can have the biggest consequences, and one of the most impactful. Hulk taking the stairs in. Um, no, it seems silly, but that single act set in motion a chain of events that redefined the MCU as we know it. After the Battle of New York, a victorious Avengers team uh, returned to base. Uh, Denied access to the elevator, chose the stairs, talking about the water of the water. His resulting frustration led to a dramatic door smash, sending Tony Stark tumbling and the Tesseract skittering across the lobby. Um, it appeared a minor mishap, but it was anything but. Um, this seemingly insignificant moment initiated a domino effect scene. Losing the Tesseract allowed Loki to escape, fracturing the timeline and birthing the multiverse. The repercussions of Hulk's stare-induced anger ripple through the MCU, impacting everything from Spider-Man's identity crisis to the fate of the Illuminati. Um, Loki's escape wasn't just a getaway; it was the catalyst for um, the multiverse saga. The Time Variance Authority, tasked with maintaining the secret timeline, uh, emerged to address the anomaly of uh, this set the stage for the events uh, in the fall of He Who Remains, the final guardian of the timeline, was directly linked to Loki's actions. And those actions were born from his escape. Sylvie's decision unleashed infinite branching universes, creating a chaotic multiverse. Different talent to power of different. Uh, it's a breathtaking scale of consequence, like all stemming from Hulk's annoyance. Even the catastrophic spell-in was enabled by the TVA's downfall. Uh, with no temporal authority to intervene, Doctor Strange's attempt to help Peter Parker backfired spectacularly, pulling villains and alternate Spider-Men from across the multiverse. The events of are equally affected, and Wanda's ability to dreamwalk and possess her alternate selves, a clear violation of the sacred timeline, went unchecked due to the TVA's absence. Her rampage and the fate of Earth 838's Illuminati became possible because of one angry Hulk. But the consequences weren't all chaos and destruction. Tony Stark's encounter with his father, Howard, was a pivotal moment of healing and closure. Steve Rogers, given a second chance, secured the PEM particles needed to finally live a full life with Peggy Carter. These deeply personal resolutions wouldn't have happened without Hulk's initial frustration. But perhaps the most profound transformation was Loki's evolution into the god of stories. His journey from mischievous trickster to responsible guardian of the timelines is a testament to the power of change. Seated on a throne of timelines, he shapes the MCU's future, a destiny forged by the events set in motion by Hulk's stare-induced rage. It's a funny thought, isn't it? You know, what that a moment of pure unadulterated Holt anger could have such far-reaching consequences. Um, it just goes to show that in the MCU, even the smallest steps, or in this case, the choice to take the stairs, can change everything. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.